Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today we're going to get started on how to set up your Windows PC with the necessity deep learning requirements. So today we're going to download Github, Theano's, Keras, Jupyter Notebook, and Anaconda onto your Windows PC. So let's get started. We're going to start off by going to the Anaconda distribution page and choosing the Windows OS version, and we'll be going with the Python 3.7 since that's the latest Python distribution that we'll be needing. Along with this, we will be needing a TDM GCC file that will be a compiler that will be needed by Windows to compile these deep learning frameworks. So we'll be downloading this from the TDM GCC website, which will be redirected to the SourceForge. So once you download it and you move on to the installer, you just go with the normal installation process. Once that's done, you move on to the Anaconda installation, which you downloaded earlier, and you make sure that specifically that you add Anaconda to your path environment, which is really important. Don't forget that. Once the installation is done, you can right click on Anaconda prompt and run it as an admin. Once you run it as an administrator, your first thing you're going to do is update all Conda. So you're going to do Conda update Conda so that you update all the Conda environmental variables. So this is going to update all the Anaconda packages. So once that's completed, the next thing you do is download the Python libraries so that you can use pip and you can download the Keras and Theano's files. So before that, we need to download Git. So we head on to the Git page and we install the Git for 64 bits and we just run through the installation process similar to any normal installation process. Once that's done, we're going to go right click Anaconda prompt again and run it as an admin. And once we run it as an admin, we're going to type in Git to make sure Git is running and working fine. And after that, we're going to type pip and install Git and type the link to the Theano's GitHub repo. Once the repo has been cloned into our desktop and installed, we're going to type the similar one for the Keras file to ensure that the Keras repo has also been installed and onto our desktop. Once that's done, you basically have Git, Keras, Theano's, Anaconda, and GitHub installed on your Windows PC. Thank you for watching.